Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video and another review. So today we are going to review the new release robot vacuum by ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S combo, a powerful cleaning solution that combines innovation and convenience. This unit was sent to us for review by the family brand T30. So the T30S combo is part of the T30 family, and the difference is that the T30 is positioned at a more favorable price point, and both models offer the same functions. The only difference is that with the T30S combo, you will get the added bonus of a handheld vacuum for extra versatility, so it is up to you to choose the best that fits your needs. So with no further ado, let's dive right in and see what makes the T30S combo stand out. First, let's talk about the most impressive feature. It boosts the ultimate tangle-free solution, delivering unparalleled cleaning results with a remarkable 99.4% cleaning efficiency. Thanks to zero-tangle technology, a V-shaped brush, and dual combs, T30S prevents tangles, efficiently removes hair, and ensures low maintenance and thorough cleaning. One of the standout features of the T30S combo is its innovative approach to mopping. Unlike traditional robot vacuums that extend the mop to reach edges, the T30S has mopping pads naturally positioned on the edges and corners. This allows for precise, efficient cleaning with 1 mm edge accuracy and 98% improved coverage. But the T30S combo doesn't stop there. It combines a robot vacuum and a handheld vacuum with exclusive technology for efficient cleaning on every surface, with anti-tangle technology to avoid hair wrap on brushes and illuminated path visibility. It provides thorough cleaning across diverse surfaces. It is equipped with the largest suction power in the industry and advanced motor technology. The T30S ensures superior carpet cleaning and an unparalleled cleaning experience. Plus, with features like desktop widgets, dynamic island, foot touch control, Apple Watch compatibility, and voice activation. It seamlessly integrates into your technology ecosystem. Additionally, the T30S combo achieves a reduction in station height and integrates advanced features like auto self-empty, hot water mop washing, and auto small tank refill. This system automates debris disposal and simplifies cleaning maintenance, making it a true game changer in home cleaning. At the end, I would say that this ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S combo offers unmatched cleaning efficiency, versatility, and convenience. So whether you are tackling everyday messes or deep cleaning tasks, the T30S combo is up to the challenge. That's everything I have for you today about the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S combo. If you found this review helpful, as always, please consider giving the video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more related content. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them down below in the comment section. See you in the next video. Peace.